In addition to that, writers used to send my father books for him to promote in his magazine, to do reviews. I didn't even mention that. But so here's, for example, this is Rachel Korn's book, Auf der Scharf von a Rege, on the edge of a second. And she inscribed it to him. Ich teure Freund und Penchaver, my pen pal or pen friend, Yud Kligman. And she signed it there, Rachel Korn, and even gave her address in Montreal. For example, Kedusha in Yiddischen Familie Leben, holiness in Jewish family life, in Yiddish. So the Orthodox would use this, go away, in a literal way. Mm-hmm. Is this from his typewriter? No. Oh, this is, see, people used to send him stuff. I've just completed the second volume of my latest literary work, The Sanctity of Jewish Family Life in Yiddish, based on biblical, Talmudic, and rabbinic studies. It's been praised, da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm taking the liberty of sending you the second volume, which completes the set of work. I would appreciate it if it would be good enough to consider contribution. And he wanted a positive review of the book. So people used to send him books to review. Often people would publish things in South America, in Argentina.
It was cheaper.
It was cheaper. I had boxes of books here that were sent to the National Yiddish Book Center, published in Argentina by writers.